Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing a massive Dollar Tree haul. So if you want to see what I picked up from my local Dollar Trees, of course, just keep on watching. But before that, don't forget, if you like tricks and makeup, go ahead and stick around, subscribe, maybe hit the bell to notify whenever I upload. And if you can like the video, if you like it, and the video's going to start right now. So don't mind my makeup. I just finished filming a video using the Skinfluencer foundation balm from Glam. This is new to the website, so I am kind of testing it out, but I have a feeling it is not for my skin type. So, and then plus that, it's like super hot in here. Went ahead and organized everything by category. So we have like balms, like lip balms first, then we have like different collections that I found, and then we have some skincare products, and then some like random kind of finds from my local Dollar Tree. So first off, we're going to talk about the LA Colors Glam Lip Mask, and this is the peach version. I've actually never seen these at my local Dollar Tree. This was the only one that I found, but I have seen other people post about these, and they come in different kind of scents and colors and stuff, but this is the one that I found at my local Dollar Tree. So that's how the packaging looks. It's so cute, super compact. If you guys know me, I collect a lot of lip balms and lip masks. I really love trying these out and seeing what the differences are, which are my favorite. So this is actually a really big packaging. Actually does smell really nice. So there's a look at that. Of course, I'm not going to try it out right now because I do have a lip product, but I honestly cannot wait to try it on my lips for an overnight kind of situation. This honestly looks really promising. If any of these products you've actually tried out and you want to let me know your thoughts on them in the comments down below, whatever, that would be great. But this is the first product. Next is a product that I actually already own. It's in my collection, but my boyfriend purchased it for me, so I was like, oh, okay, so sweet. I'm not gonna open it because I'm thinking I'm just gonna throw it in a giveaway because I don't want two of these. But this is the LA Colors lip balm, and this is their mixed berries lip balm. And if you guys follow me, I did do a whole haul where I opened all of these and I smelled them, I compared them all together. So if you want to watch that video, that's going to be linked down below. And that was also a massive Dollar Tree haul. But this one here, it's really nice as well. I did use up the blue one and the purple one, but I'm not gonna open that one up. And then another one that he purchased for me was the roller lip gloss, which actually I don't own. I have some of the roll-on glosses, but this one looks different. So I think I may open this one and keep this one as well. But there's a close-up look at this lip gloss. It has a little like grape on it. So cute. Oh, it has a metal kind of moment. Oh yeah, it smells like grape. It smells so good. I definitely cannot wait to try this one out. Next, we're gonna get into some lipstick finds. So we have some of the Be Pure Clean. Oh, this is clear lavender. Oh, this is a lip balm. So this is the clear lip balm. I'm sure you guys have seen these at your Dollar Tree. This is their hydrating lipstick, and they have like the color on the top and bottom of the packaging, which I love. This is a lipstick that I had already opened just to look at the color, and again, it's at the top and bottom of the packaging. But they don't have any type of name. So there is the first color that I got, which is a bright pink kind of moment, but I'm thinking the packaging would be the same in all of them. So if you happen to see this packaging at your local Dollar Tree, there's a look at that. Like the more you swatch it, the easier it is, and it is like an emollient kind of product as well. It's not like drying or anything. All right, and then the next one is more of a red kind of moment, which looks so beautiful. Again, you kind of have to get it started. There's the red one. And then there's the lip balm. As you can see, it's like a white kind of moment, and I'm sure it's like clear. Okay, so this one looks pretty promising. I have to remember that this is a lip balm and not a lipstick. So far, I'm really impressed. I definitely cannot wait to try this out. All right, next I have the LA Colors Nude Glam Primer Mascara. So this one I actually hadn't seen. I always pick up the like colored mascaras, but this one actually did call out to me. So I really want to try out their mascara primer. I've tried mascara primers in the past, and I think they actually do work. There's a look at that. And we're going to open it and see. So there's a look at the wand of this product. I definitely cannot wait to try this out and see my thoughts. All right, next product is the LA Colors Conceal Buildable Coverage Concealer. And this one here is in beige. I actually used to own this product. I wasn't the biggest fan of it, but for some reason or another, I decided to pick it up. So this is their concealer. It's like very light coverage kind of moment, which is why it wasn't my favorite, but I decided to pick it up because why not? We might do a full face of LA Colors soon, or even a full face of Dollar Tree soon. So this is definitely a product that I wanted to pick up. So I'm gonna swatch it just in case you want to see the color. And there's the color beige. And I believe it comes in like one more color, but this is the only color that I ever see when I go to my local Dollar Tree in beige, and honestly, it's okay. This product was actually new. I did pick up their pressed powder from this line, but this is actually a product I've never seen. So this is the Be Pure Infused Eyebrow Highlighter. So I would definitely use it as a liner kind of situation instead of an eyebrow highlighter. But there's a look at that. There's a look at the pencil. There's like literally nothing on it that says like Be Pure or anything. And there's a look at that. And that's how it swatches. So nothing extraordinary, but I think for like the waterline, it may work really well. So that's why I picked it up. But I just don't like that it doesn't have like any information on the actual component. But we'll see how it works on the eye. Next, we have the LA Colors Hydrating Face Mist. Yet another product that my boyfriend picked up for me. I already do own this product. I actually even use it today because it's in my Shop My Stash for the month of June. But yeah, so I'm not gonna open it just yet, but I'm gonna keep it. Next, we have a bunch of Remi Rose Fine. I went ahead and picked up 2 of the Remi Rose colored lip balms, which look like that. On the bottom, it does say the name of each one. So I picked up the more pinky one and the more like, I guess, red one. So there's a look at the packaging, super cute. And on the bottom, you do get the name of the product, and that's how it looks when you open it. So this one here is in the shade Charley. And not give it a swatch, right? So there's a look at that lip balm. So pretty. And they have like a slight vanilla smell, nothing crazy. I could barely like get a scent from it, but so cute. I've never tried these products from them. I'm usually into their like liquid lipsticks and their lip glosses, but I've never tried their colored lip balms. And then this one here is in the shade Kelly, which is more of a pinky kind of moment. Again, we could give it a swatch. Oh, this one is more pinky, as you can tell. So this one is Kelly, and then this one is Charley. I also went ahead and picked up 3 of their glitter lip glosses, which look like this. If you guys have been following me for a while, I love their glitter formula lip gloss, but as well as their just like original lip gloss formula. So beautiful. So it comes in 3 different colors. This one you say it Blakely, but so beautiful. Then we have the shade Zoey and Tommie. And then I also picked up 2 more of their original lip gloss formula. I do already own, I believe, a red one and a nude one in my collection. So I went ahead and picked up the shade Belle, which seems to me a more like mauve-y kind of moment, and the shade Zara. So the only thing with these is that the name of the product is not on the component, which sucks, but this one is so beautiful. Again, this one is in the shade Zara, and there's a swatch of that one. Next, we have Belle, which is just the original lip gloss formula. And then there's a swatch of Belle. We're getting into their glitter formula. This one here is in Tommie, and it does have like a purple kind of shift to it. This one here is in Zoey. There's a look at Zoey. Then I believe you say this one Blakely, and there's a look at Blakely up here. So it looks very similar to that bottom shade, except it does have glitters in it. Right, now we're going to get into my favorite part, which is the Ioni Fine. So I did find their lip gloss. It did come in 2 different shades. I went ahead and picked up this one in a warm nude. And there's a look at that product. It is like a squeezy tube kind of moment. And if you guys have been following me, I do a lot of Ioni Fines and stuff. Most times they just repackage their old products, but the lip glosses I've never seen in this type of component. So there's a look at that. The name is never on the component when it comes to Ioni Cosmetics. I don't know why, but this one here is in warm nude. I also did go ahead and pick up their lip spa scrub. I said I wasn't going to pick it up. I don't know why I did. But this one here, oh, because it's a honey scent. So it's honey scented. So I love anything honey. So there's a look at the lip spa scrub in honey. So there's a look at that. Oh, it actually does smell like honey. Next, I got this product. I've been picking up their brow gels a lot. I have 2 of them, which are the same thing. They're just different packaging, but they are like a very dark brown kind of moment. I was surprised to see that they actually came out with a clear brow gel in different packaging. but opposed to their like dark brown one, which I'm not the biggest fan of, it did have like a strong scent to it as well. I'm so excited to try out the clear version. All right, so there's a look at the clear brow gel. So this one has the same scent to it as the dark brown one, except it's like it's like toned down in this product, which I love. So I definitely cannot wait to try this out. Next, I picked up their face highlighter bronzer situation, and this one here is in Golden Glow, which I think I have this product in my collection, but it's not as deep. I hope not. So this is part of their Electric Jungle collection, and again, this one here is in Golden Glow. So let's see. I have a feeling I have this product already. So there's a swatch of the highlighter slash bronzer, and again, the only problem I have with this packaging is that once it's like been open in the packaging for so long, it doesn't want to close. It's not happening. So you really do have to like hold it down for a while. I also went ahead and picked up 2 of their Electric Jungle collection blushes. So the first one here is in Peach, which is really beautiful, and then we have the one in Baby Rose. It's a side-by-side of each one. Again, this one here is in Baby Rose, and then we have Peach. We have Peach on the top and then Baby Rose on the bottom. So just watching them side by side, I can definitely tell the Peach one is a matte formula, and then the Baby Rose is a shimmery formula. But both of them look so beautiful. Right now we're moving into skincare. So I do have 2 of the Be Pure kind of skincare products. So I found the Rose Infused Lip Oil. I was so excited to see this in store. And they also had a lip scrub which contains shea butter. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Okay, not what I expected, but this is again their lip sugar scrub. It's like a very kind of thin. I was expecting like something bulky. Oh, and it does kind of smell like shea butter as well. There's a look at that. It's not like filled all the way up, but you do get some product in there, and in the back it does give you some instructions and like important information. And then we get the Rose Infused Lip Oil, which looks like that. It does come with a doe-foot applicator, which I really like. And it doesn't really have any smell to it either, so I definitely cannot wait to try this out. I also picked up this, and this is also, no, this one here is from Bolero, and this is a Renew Facial Moisturizer. It has rose water and chamomile. I honestly picked it up because it's pink and it looked really cute, so I definitely cannot wait to try this out. I picked up 2 hand masks. So these are the Be Pure Uplifting, Nourishing, Softening Hand and Nail Gloves. I've never tried these before, so I went ahead and picked up 2. I also saw this at my local Dollar Tree, which is from Be Pure, and this is their facial spa kit. It does come with a gua sha, which is a pink kind of moment, and then you get this product, which is their facial oil with rose oil extract. So I definitely cannot wait to try this out. And now getting into the more random kind of products, we have 2 hand lotions. So these are both from Crystal Waters. We have their Strawberry Crush Scented Hand Cream, which looks like that. Wild Rose Scented Hand Cream, which comes with a little panda. This is just so cute. So I cannot wait to try these out. And then I saw these hand creams, which looked really intriguing, from Yes Studio. And I have 2 of them here. I have Take the Hand and High Five, which looks like that. You guys know my hands are like always dry, so I always have to have hand lotion on hand, literally. And these are so aesthetically like just cute to look at. So again, this is the High Five Pear Hand Cream. And then the Tuck to the Hand Peony Hand Cream. I went ahead and picked up a hand sanitizer. You can never have too many, and it came with this cute little like hanger for your backpack or purse or whatever. And this is the Rose Scented Antibacterial Hand Gel, or like, yeah, hand gel. Just hand sanitizer, super cute. And I also purchased another one of the Spa Luxury Rose and Vanilla Scented Shower Gels, because you guys know I go through these so quickly. I love them. These are my favorite body like gels or like shower gels that I have, so I've been testing these out and I've really been enjoying them. And lastly, I also picked up this product, which I thought we could unbag together. It is a mystery Little Pony kind of moment, and I just thought it would be fun to see what we get in here. So this is their Magical Mystery Mini Walker Pony. So we're gonna see which one we got together. So I think these are like the ones that you could possibly get on the back. So let's see which one we got. I'm like anxiously waiting for this moment. Oh. Ooh. Is this like a eraser? It feels like an eraser kind of quality, Pony, and it is a purple kind of moment. I don't know who this is. Oh, this is Twilight Sparkle, and you can move like the feet and stuff. So cute. So that's the one that we got. I think this is an eraser. It feels like an eraser kind of moment. I don't know, I'm gonna try it out that way, but yeah, super cute. And we made it to the end. So we made it to the end. I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed filming this video today. Everything that I talked about, the names of the prices are going to be down below, as well as in the videos that I mentioned throughout this video or videos that I uploaded last week. Don't forget to upload 3 times a week on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. So if you could stick around, that would be amazing. I'll have my Insta handle displayed on the screen. I post a lot of makeup finds from drugstore to high end, so if that interests you, go ahead and follow me there. And it'd be so amazing if you could like and subscribe. Of course, you don't have to. You're your own person, you make your own decisions, but it wouldn't hurt to give this video a like, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.